Right, so I got it done. We are running. Still got to build the front end up, but the main thing was to get an engine running inside the car, because couldn't get the car cranking or anything. I didn't have a look underneath. You've seen the hole inside the engine anyway. But the clutch was new. Heaters are getting warm. The clutch works. I use it's a bit of brake noise. I've put a new boot on, the ball joint, just at the to get all the gears and reverse. So I'll put the ball joint boot on. Sorry about that. Right, I'm the last one on the yard as it seems. So we're running. We've took the plugs out, cleaned them. It's got a new oil filter and an oil in it. The air filter looked new. Didn't use the crappy one, used the one out of the this engine. This one was alright. The box is from this engine. That's the genuine Toyota clutch out of it, so I've got bits for it. Just trying to bleed the cooling system up, but the heaters are blowing warm, so we've got the circulating. Yeah, so I've done the ball joint boot. On that near side front bottom arm. I've done that, just that the threads were knackered, so I'll have to redo that. But other than that, we're okay. Drive shafts are in, oil's in the box, box works, no noise from the release bearing. Alternator seems good because the battery light's not come on, checking out the charge the battery. Yeah, we're getting nice and warm there now. So I'll probably finish building it up through the week after work. So we are Sunday now, I think we're the 7th, I think. So I've got work in the morning, so I'll call it a day and pack my tools up, take back to work. Please leave a like and a subscribe if you like the content. If you didn't, please leave a thumbs down and please let me know why. Also, if you want to ask any questions on this, I'll try my best and help wherever possible. These engines are the same in the Toyota Aigos and the Citroen C1s. Just the standard 3-cylinder engine. As long as you make sure you've got the right engine code, which is 1KR, you should be alright. Thank you for watching.